Welcome to our comprehensive guide on how to have a blank highlight name on Instagram. If you're looking to add a touch of minimalism or creativity to your profile by removing the name from your highlights, follow these easy steps. Start by launching the Instagram app on your Android device to access your profile. Tap on your profile picture located at the bottom right corner of the screen to navigate to your profile. Identify the highlight from which you want to remove the name. Then tap and hold on the highlighted story to bring up an options menu. From the options menu, select Edit Highlight to begin making changes. On the Edit Highlight screen, delete the existing title or name of the highlight. Once you've removed the title, exit the Instagram app to proceed with the next steps. Open the Google Chrome browser on your device. In the search bar, enter empty space copy and navigate to a page that offers invisible text options. Locate the copy button on the page and tap it to copy the invisible text to your clipboard. Return to the Instagram app and access your profile again. Find the highlight you are editing and paste the invisible text you copied earlier into the name field of the highlight. Tap the Done button in the top left corner to save your changes. Navigate back to your profile to see the results. Your selected highlight should now appear with no name, effectively creating a blank space.